About 6 months ago, this road was covered with approximately 10,000 tires on it. Through our hard work, dedication, and diligence, we've cleared this road. We've disposed of those tires at the DEQ-approved tire facility. Our staff has been working primarily on Fridays to remediate this location as well as the location at Dwyer along Interstate 510, which are two of our bigger tire dumping sites. This is the result of hard work and effort and diligence and partnership. Ongoing success of this roadway being clear of tires and debris will be contingent on enforcement and regular inspection. In an effort to discourage further dumping, since we've cleaned this particular roadway, we're looking into the feasibility of installing additional barriers that would discourage motorists from coming back here and performing dumping operations. We followed through on our commitment at the beginning of this year to clean the site up. We made good on that commitment, and we'll continue to do so.